Okay, so yesterday we explained some things and I told that today also I will explain about that because that is very important about exterior angles and interior angles and the connection between interior angles and exterior angles. Okay, okay children, one second. I will see children, do you remember yesterday's question? So when you get a question, you should think thoroughly or you should watch it carefully whether exterior angle or interior angle is given there. Okay. So if it is exterior angle, nothing to worry. You can divide 360 by that exterior angle. You will get the number of sides. If an interior angle is given, you have to subtract that interior angle from 180 and that answer you should divide with 360 degree. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. Okay. Okay, children, listen. I'll explain once again because always you will have a confusion with these questions. 1 second. See, children, did you get the second question? Did you get the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
9 sides. How will you do this? 360
360
divided by
9.
9. And second question, 360
Divided by 15.
360 divided by
Okay. Third question, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree?
15.
Okay. So
360 divided 24.
divided by 24 because there is nothing to worry because exterior angle is given there. It is direct question. You can divide 360 by 24. You will get the answer. Clear? Again, fourth question is a special type of question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Okay, so instead of exterior angle, it is given interior angle. So you have to take care because when a polygon has an interior angle 165 degree, you should find the corresponding exterior angle. Okay, how will you find the corresponding exterior angle?
180 minus 165.
Because these two are linear pairs. Clear, children? Clear? So
Yes,
165 minus, 180 minus 165, you will get the answer. And it is 15. Now divide 360 by 15, you will get 24 sides. Okay? Angelia, where are you? Did you understand the question? Did you understand this?
Yes,
Up to
ma'am.
this much?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Who is this?
Ma'am, I was having a network issue.
Okay, Pranav, 1 second. Here, in the question number 3, it is exterior angle is given directly, 24 degree. So you can divide 360 by 24, no problem because exterior angle is given directly. It is a normal question. Okay, but in question number 4, it is given interior angle 165. Interior angle. So it is not given exterior. If it is exterior angle, it is easy because 360 by that angle you can find. But it is since it is an interior angle, you have to see the connection between interior angle and exterior angle. Because interior angle is 165. What will be the exterior angle since it is a linear pair? It is 180 minus 165. Okay, Pranav? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 15. So divide 360 by 15. Not this one. Not this. You should divide 365 by 15. You will get the answer. Okay? Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will show this one. Okay. Can you see a figure? Try this. Try this.
Yes,
Try
ma'am.
this. Okay. So, see. What is the sum of the measures of its exterior angles? X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. See, children, can you see one figure there? What type of figure it is?
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Hexagon, hexagon. And anything, what all speciality you can find from that figure? What type of hexagon it is?
Regular.
Regular
How
hexagon.
did you understand it is a regular hexagon?
It has same sides, same side.
All sides are equal.
How did you understand it is all sides are
Ma'am,
equal?
there's one line.
There's
on
one line
side.
in the
Because
center of
one
one side.
In the
okay.
center, there's one line.
Okay, okay. So all sides are equal. Understood. What can you tell about its angles?
Same.
Interior angles are same.
Interior angles are same. What are their interior angles? What is the measurement of the interior angle? It is given A, right? A, all 6 angles are A. That means all the angles are same. Same, right? And all the angles are same means all sides are same. And it is given this sign, that means all sides are also same. So it is a regular hexagon. Okay. So interior angles are A. All 6 angles have same measurement and it is A. And what about the exterior angle? What about the exterior angle?
Different.
Okay, different. X, Y, Z, P, Q, and R. Okay, children. What is the sum of the measures of its exterior angles?
360.
360.
degree. Because you know that sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So X plus Y plus Z plus P plus Q plus R equal to
360.
360 degree. Okay, clear. You understood it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, second question is X equal to Y equal to Z
No.
equal to P equal to Q equal to R.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
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 How did you understand?
Because
the
interior angles are equal.
then the
Because
exterior angle.
Okay, because all these are same, right? Interior angles are same.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell the measurement of those interior angles? Since it is a regular hexagon,
Should we write this?
wait. Since it is a regular hexagon, what is the sum of the angles of interior angles of a regular hexagon? Sum of
120.
interior angles.
120.
No. Sum of
No,
interior
sum-
angles
90.
of a regular
720.
hexagon.
720.
How did you get?
720.
How did you get? Which is the
4
formula you
into
are
180.
using?
N minus 2 into 180.
180. Okay. So the formula we are using here is n minus 2 into 180. So regular hexagon means it is 6-sided figure. So n minus 2 means 4 into 180.
4 into 180.
That is
720.
720.
720.
Correct.
720.
720. Since there are 6 angles,
720 divided by
720
120.
divided by 6, you will get
120.
120 as the answer. Okay, fine. Okay, so all these A are 120. This is 120. This
And
also
D
120. This also 120. This also 120. This
Exterior
also
angle is
120.
60.
Okay, so what about the exterior
60.
angle?
60.
Because one angle is 120 means since it is a linear pair, the other angle will be 60. So second question
Ma'am, should we
is-
write all these questions in notes?
Wait. All these is X equal to Y equal to Z equal to P equal to Q equal to R.
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Because the interior angles are equal.
All the interior angles are equal. So exterior angles also will be automatically equal because it is a linear pair. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You understood? Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is answer of that. Then what is the measure of each exterior angle?
60.
Exterior angle or
60.
and interior angle
120.
20.
20 degree. See children, you want to write it in your notes?
No.
Yes.
How will you do this? Let me check. You want to write? Will you write it as a homework?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I explained this now. So wait. Will you take too much time for writing this?
No.
No. Ma'am, for drawing it will take.
That is why. Okay, children, will you draw it later? I'll write the answer of this.
Ma'am, we will
Alice,
now.
And we'll
space for
write
draw.
as homework.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I explained now. So you can write it as a homework. Or you leave some space for drawing the figure. I'll write the answer now. Here. That is
Okay,
enough.
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So take a regular hexagon. This is our question. So a regular hexagon, you can write it as like this, a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon, underline that. First question, what is the sum of the measures of its exterior angles? Only write the answer, remaining everything. You leave some space for drawing the figure and writing the question. What is the sum of the measures of the exterior angles? X plus Y plus Z plus P plus Q plus R equal to 360 degree. Second one is X equal to Y equal to Z equal to P equal to Q equal to R. Yes, they are equal. They are equal. It is a regular hexagon. Sum of interior angles equal to 720. Therefore, each interior angle equal to 720 divided by 6 equal to 120. Therefore, each exterior angle equal to each exterior angle equal to now you can see properly each exterior angle equal to okay exterior angle equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree since it is a linear pair. Linear pair. Third question, what is the measure of each? Third question, first one, exterior angle equal to 60 degree. Second question, interior angle equal to 120 degree.
Finish.
Okay.
Ma'am, this question is there in the textbook.
R.D. Sharma book, it will be there. It will be there.
Ma'am, so those who don't
I
have
mean, no,
RD Sharma-
NCERT is there.
This is NCERT book. No, it is there. Yeah, so whatever is there in NCERT book will be there in R.D. Sharma book.
I have 2 books.
Okay, no problem. You can take the PDF. NCERT site all PDFs are. Yes?
I don't have
No problem. I'll send all the works in R.D. Sharma also. Questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Extra questions I'll send.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move to the next one?
Now 1 minute.
Baja, did you understand? Baja,
Yes, ma'am.
Amrita, Biju.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now completed.
All. Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, up to this we explained question number 4. Next question, is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle is 22? How will you do?
No.
We have finished this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is no problem in the question because it is given exterior angle. There is no problem. It is a normal question. Direct question. What will you do? You will divide 360 by 22. And we won't get the answer properly because we will get
No,
a decimal
decimal
number.
point.
Decimal.
Decimal number. That means 22 is not a divisor. So that is our answer. Again, this B question. Did we do this also?
No.
No. So will you write that B question? Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why?
Ma'am, so if you're writing this, there won't be no continuation, right?
What to do? You write exercise 1.1, 5th question, B.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So exercise 1.1, 5th question, B. I will explain, children. 1 second. First question is it possible to have a regular polygon with a measure of each exterior angle is 22? So it is asking like this. Exterior angle is 22. Such a polygon is possible or not? What is the answer?
No.
Not possible.
Not possible. So because we cannot divide 360 by 22, we will get a decimal number. It is possible, not possible. Again, B question is this 22 degree, can it be an interior angle? Exterior angle, it is not possible. Again, they are asking the question, can it be the interior angle? Interior angle 22 degree, is it possible? Huh? Is it possible?
No.
How did you understand?
Because exterior angle will be 158, which is not a divisor.
Yes, because if interior angle is 22 degree, what will be the exterior angle? Since it is a linear pair, 180 minus 22. What is our answer?
158.
158. Can we divide 360 by 158?
No.
No.
No, that is not possible. So exterior angle cannot be 22. Interior angle also cannot be 22. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So 360, if it is possible, then we can divide. If it is possible to divide, only it will be an exterior angle. Clear, children?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
It will be a polygon. Otherwise, it will not be a regular polygon. There will not be a polygon. Such kind of polygons will not exist. Is it okay, children?
Yes,
so will
ma'am.
you write this? Exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Fifth question. A we had done already. We have done already yesterday. B shall we write now? Can it be an interior angle? That is our question. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Did you write the question?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, I'll write the
That
answer.
A part we have to simply write 360 by 22. Only that is
Eh,
a step we have to
No,
write.
no, it is not possible since I'll write that also.
Ma'am, in notes, right?
Since 22 is not a divisor of 360.
I wrote no. Yesterday I have given you.
Yes,
Yes.
I
ma'am.
remember.
We should
No,
write this
there
in the
that
notes,
time.
right?
Okay, I will write. I'll write.
Ma'am, we should write this in the notes, right?
Yes, yes. You have notes,
Okay.
right?
Ma'am, paper notes, right? Not rough book.
It is not possible. This is the question. A's answer. It is not possible since 360 divided by 22 or
Ma'am,
write
you
like
gave
this.
yesterday possible
Ah.
since 22 is not a
Not
divisor.
a divisor. Since 22 is not a divisor. Those who are not there in the class, they can write down now. Now, B question. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? No. Since if 22 is an interior angle, then the corresponding exterior angle will be exterior angle will be 158 degree. And 158 is not a divisor of 360. Okay. See, this exercise is very important because lot of variety questions are there in this. All these questions are important. All these questions are different questions. You will think that it is very easy, but it is all twisted. Study this well. You can expect some questions from this exercise for the exam. Okay. Shall we move to the next one?
1 minute,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No. Dilla. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, sixth question A. What is the, you can write, sixth question A. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon?
3.
60 degree.
How did you understand?
The smallest polygon triangle.
Yes, very good, because the least sided polygon is triangle. So least sided polygon is triangle. It has three sides. It has three sides. Therefore, how will you do?
Therefore, the least angle for a regular polygon is 60 degrees.
Minimum angle. We can write minimum angle, right?
Yes.
So, the minimum angle, minimum interior
You
angle
told therefore.
possible.
You told
Minimum interior angle possible.
Ma'am, we should cut therefore.
Therefore, minimum interior angle possible.
Ma'am, I wrote
Is
therefore.
no problem. Oh, sorry. 180 by minimum interior angle 180 divided by 3 equal to 60 degree. And B question.
What is the maximum?
What is the maximum exterior angle possible
120.
for a regular? How did you
120.
understand?
Ma'am, if 60.
The highest side effect.
Ma'am, the
Minimum
Ma'am,
means smallest. Okay. If smallest interior angle, according to that, largest exterior angle will come. Smallest interior angle, if it is coming, if it is an increasing order, suppose 60, 70. So according to this interior angle, if interior angle increases, 1 second.
exterior angle decreases.
Decreases. If interior angle increases, if it is 60, this is 120. If it is 70, it will be
110. 110.
110. If it is 100, 80.
80.
Okay. So as the interior angle increases, exterior angle decreases. So smallest interior angle is 60 degree. So what is the largest exterior angle?
120.
120 degree. So the maximum exterior angle is possible for a regular polygon is 120 degree. Okay. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So maximum exterior angle possible is 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree. I hope you understood this one.
Ma'am, can we write the notes in a notebook?
Everything should be there in the notebook. If you are writing in a notebook, no problem, but don't mix up the other subjects, and all the things should be there in the notebook. Classwork, homework, everything. Short notes which I am giving in the class.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, and will you send a separate note after the class is over, after the chapter?
This one is no. These all exercise questions we are explaining the class. No, remaining I will give the homework. If anything needed as an external note, I will send it.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
so we are doing it like our normal class itself.
Normal class
Cool.
itself. Okay. If anything is there or a separate slides or anything like that, I will send it. Like today on tomorrow's class, next day's class, we are studying these kinds of quadrilaterals. So there are some specialities are there, quadrilaterals, how it is different. Okay. So all these I will send it as a slide to you. Okay. In the class I will explain, but for drawing you will take time. So I will send it evening.
That we need to write in notes.
Everything you have to write. Whatever I am sending, whatever I am telling, everything you have to write in the notes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, exercise question got over. See, children, we did this question. Find x in the following figure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We finished yesterday.
Ma'am, not yesterday. Some days before, I guess. I don't know.
We finished this.
No,
Yesterday only we will.
No, ma'am, we didn't do this.
we didn't do this.
Okay, okay. Now, can you do now? Is it time?
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. Will you do this?
Okay.
First question, it is very easy. Find x in the following figure. Find x. Now, I think you are thorough with exterior angle and interior angle. So, you can do it.
Then what we should do?
This one, find x in the following. Question number 1 and question number 1A and B.
You write exercise 1.1.
1.1, first question.
Now, one x is
110.
110.
Because 125 plus 125 is 250.
can you zoom it a little bit?
250.
Okay. I'll zoom.
Ma'am, maximum exterior angle after that word.
Maximum exterior angle is 180 minus 60 equal to 120. So, what is the answer of A?
110.
110.
125 plus 125 plus x equal to 360 degree. So 250 plus x equal to 360.
Ma'am,
And-
the second question is 50 degree.
50 degree.
1 second, I did not. Let me check. 110. Second question,
50
same way, right? One extra angle is given, only sign is given, but you can
ma'am.
understand what sign is
90.
this. 90 degree. And
90.
here it is not given, but the left part is given, the other side,
Yes,
other
ma'am.
part. So that is 90 degree means it is a linear pair. This also will be 90 degree.
90 degree.
So all the angles we got
50 degree.
except
X is equal to 50 degree.
Okay.
X is equal to 50.
Okay, 90 plus 90 plus 60 plus 70 plus x.
X is equal to
Equal to
360.
360. 90, 180 plus
180
300.
plus 130 plus
Ah.
x is equal to 360.
So 3 is it 310? 90 plus 90 is 180
Yes.
plus 130
Yes,
plus
yes,
70.
ma'am.
Okay,
310
equal to
minus
X is equal
360.
to 360.
Okay,
And
360.
360 minus 310
310
is equal to x, and x is
50
equal to
degree.
50.
Okay. Okay, children. So this was the homework. Shall I take your attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Miss time.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't erase the slide.
Are you right? Now we will continue with the kinds of quadrilaterals. Okay. Today no period for us. Only this. Gaviri is present.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Can you identify the child who did not come
Ma'am,
today?
can you
All
share the-
present, right?
Albert.
41.
Can you show the slide?
Ma'am, Albert already.
Albert.
Albert,
absent.
42.
Ma'am, can you show
42
Ma'am,
children are there, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
morning period he came in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Morning he is there.
But when Sholi ma'am took the attendance, he was not there.
No, first he was there, then he left.
Albert Jojo absent. Then one more person, we have strength is 42.
One left now.
Who is that?
I'm in the 41. One of the participants is you.
That I know. 42 is
Ma'am.
your strength. 42.
Ma'am,
Your
can
class
you show
42
the
children
slide?
are there. Okay.
So
42 children are there in your class. Who is that person? My God. Gauri, Sriram, Adityan, Abhinanda Krishna, Abhinav PA.
Bina period.
Abhinav
He's
PA.
present.
Abhinav
The
PA.
participants list
Yes,
name
ma'am.
is there.
Abhinav is there. Abhinav is there.
Abhinav is
there.
there. One second. Let me check.
Ma'am, Abhinav PA is present.
Okay.
Ma'am, Albert.
Okay. One second. Albert, Jojo, Pranav, Adityan, Abhinand, Krishna, Abhinav P, Abhinav Bijoy, Ahmad Afin, Amel, Amna, Shirin, Amrita Biju, Angelia, Annette Rose, Anthony Babu, Anusha, Arjun MR, Ayan, Baja, Carlin, Dilla, Ishal, Gauri Parvati, Gauri Shankari, Hessa, Isa, Jahain, Krishna Kriba, Lakshmi Chandra, Malaviga, Milan, Parthiv, Parvati, Prajita, Pranav, Rudra, Shayin, Shifana, Shreya, Srihari, Tanmay, Uma, Vaishnav. Okay, I'll check. I'll find out. Okay, children.
Okay,
Bye.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Continue with our
Thank you, ma'am.
classes. Study well, okay?
Bye, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.